Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add location to your Facebook page. Now all you have to do is just to tap on the menu settings and tap on your profile page, and then just scroll down and click about. Once you're in there, have to scroll down a bit and then tap on edit public details. Now in there, you'll be able to edit your profile picture, your cover, your details. So just tap on edit, and then you can edit your details. Now you can add your location from here. Now under contact info, just simply click add your address, and then from here you can now edit your location by adding your street, the city, the zip code, and you can also point the map that shows your page, or point the location that shows your page, and then click save, and it will automatically be seen and be visible to your Facebook page. So that's it. That's basically the whole process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.